Did you know that you can easily get free NFT and sell it without doing any special work? In this video, we discuss this issue together. When we talk about NFT, we think of very high prices. But have you ever wondered how you can get NFTs that are priced and sold for absolutely free? Today I will introduce you some methods that you can get free NFTs with just a little time. One of these ways is to participate in giveaways that give you free NFT. By searching for NFT giveaway on Twitter, you can see these NFTs and follow the rules to participate in these giveaways. Most of these giveaways ask you to like their tweet and tag one of your friends under that post. By doing these things, you will be entered into this giveaway, and if you have a good chance, you can win and get free and priced NFT. I am also going to hold one of these giveaways for my collection and give free NFT to the winner, so be sure to visit my Twitter. Another way to get free NFT is to be whitelisted on the Discord server of some projects. By doing something like creating a new NFT for them, and you can include people who have given them discounts, or even free NFT. Another method is to find projects that are still in pre-mint mode and want to make some of their NFTs available for free. Maybe at the time when you receive that NFT it will not have much value, and it is the same for some of these projects, and it will not gain much value. But there are some projects that are really trying to make their collection famous, and you get that free NFT. You can make a lot of profit, and in other words, make money from nothing. One of these projects is the Chainers project, which I have introduced before. This project is not fully released yet, and you can get NFTs from it and sell them soon. These projects that I introduce will not give you 100% profit and may fail. Finally, the decision is yours. You can also get NFT from this collection. I hope you can get good NFTs. Good luck. Until the next video, stay rich.